today's video, I'll be adding this glove box light in my 2012 Cruze. Since this one didn't come with it, take this string out and then push in like this on both sides, and the glove box will. So you gotta take this cover off, take this bolt right here off. There's one right here, and then the other one's right there. Now that we have the glove box off, here's a connector that you're gonna connect the glove box light to, and then here you could do a cutout, which is gonna be kind of tricky to do, but I'll just use a sharp knife to cut this out and we'll go on from there. So I'm sort of finished with the cutout. I'll probably make it more straight from the top. I'll be doing adjustments as I go. Now all I need is this hole right here. So here's the hole right here I did. It's not the prettiest, but it'll get the job done. I should have used a drill bit to do the hole instead. Now it's time to test fit to see if everything fits flush. Hopefully it does, but if not, we will make some adjustments. Looks okay. So I have to cut more up here in order for it to fit flush. Now it's in there, fully working. I even added a LED bulb in there. And I forgot to mention, when you take off the 3 bolts, all you gotta do is pull this down, and then you'll have access to cut the plastic off. So now it's time to put everything back, and we'll see how it looks. So now I put everything back. There's your working glove box light. And then I haven't put the side cover on. So as you guys can see, there it's fully off. The Light is right there. If you guys found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on those post notifications. Until next time, peace.